Welcome back to our 11th video in our WordPress tutorial series. Today, we're going to discuss WordPress tags, their importance and how to use them. In WordPress, categories and tags are both used to organize and classify your content, but they serve slightly different purposes. It is important to note that both categories and tags are used only to organize the posts on your website. They are not used for pages. It is important to differentiate between categories and tags so we can understand them better and use them accordingly. For example, open any book, you will find the table of contents. This is the category. However, at the end of the book, you will find an index. These are your tags. Categories are more general and broad, whereas tags are much more specific. Just to recap, categories are hierarchical in nature and are used typically for broad classifications of content. All posts are part of a category, and if you do not assign a category at the time of posting, WordPress automatically assigns it to the uncategorized category. Tags, on the other hand, are non-hierarchical, meaning that they cannot have sub-tags. Each tag is independent of others and is off equal weightage. Tags are quite specific in nature. The proper use of tags are a great help in quick and easy navigation through your website. Tags are more useful for content discovery and searching. Tags help users to find content with similar keywords. You can assign multiple tags to a single post, and they can cover a wide range of topics or, more importantly, keywords related to the content. There is a common misconception that, if properly used, tags can also improve your website's search engine optimization, SEO, because they provide search engines with additional information about your content. However, that is not the case. Categories and your primary menu are much more important when it comes to SEO. More on this later when we make our video on SEO. Let's go through some practical examples to better understand tags. For example, you have a blog about mobile phones. When Samsung releases its latest S23, you will include the post in the phone's reviews category, since the S23 is a new phone. However, the post will be tagged as Samsung S23. This tag will help users to find all articles related to the S23 in one place. They will not have to search the entire contents of the phone's category. If you click on the tag, Samsung Galaxy S23, it will take you to all the posts on the website about Samsung S23. Take a close look at the URL. See the word tag mentioned in the URL. Here you will find all the articles on the Samsung Galaxy S23 in one place, so you don't have to go through the entire site or search through the menu categories. Tags help organize content on your website to make it easier for visitors to search through them. Another example, suppose you have to write an article on the significance of social media, with the emphasis on the rise of TikTok in the US. In this case, you would use social media as the main category. For tags, you would use TikTok since the post is about TikTok, which is one of the many social media platforms. To add a tag, simply write TikTok and press Enter. To add another tag like TikTok USA, just write it and press Enter. You can also write several tags and separate them automatically with a comma. Let's go to our dashboard and refresh our tags page. You can now see the two tags that we just created a few seconds ago. You can also manage your tags from here just like you did your categories. It is the same menu but only used for tags. You can rename, edit, and delete your tags from here. We're going to go back to our post and delete the TikTok USA tag to show you how to do it from there. Just hit the X and then publish your post. Tags serve a dual purpose. benefiting not just external website visitors, but also assisting website administrators in their internal searches. For instance, in the case of multiple product high turnover e-commerce website which has numerous video product demos uploaded, you can assign a tag such as video product demo. Let's use our sample website to see how it is done. As you can see, I have already uploaded an article on these studio headphones. It has a video uploaded. Let's add the category as studio headphones. Now, when we go to the tags, we should add video product demo in addition to the normal tags that you may assign, such as headphones, stereo headphones, etc. This approach ensures that not only can external website visitors easily access a consolidated collection of those product demo videos, but it also allows internal website administrators to swiftly locate all those products that have the video demos by utilizing tags. Now, that is a lot faster than individually going through all the products and seeing which ones have a video or not. Here's another example. We are going to use our other website, gunholster.co. Please ignore the other categories already created and just focus on the example being given. Imagine you're a travel blogger exploring Germany, but due to unforeseen circumstances, your stay in Germany is prolonged, leading you to create multiple blog posts during your time there. To group all these posts together under the theme of Germany, simply apply the same tags to each of them. By doing so, you can effectively consolidate a series of posts related to the same topic. We have published one post in our travel blog. Let's quickly post another blog about our travel through Germany. This is a different post, but will have the same tag Germany, so that we can club all the blog posts of Germany in one place. These tags will provide your audience with a convenient way to access all your Germany-related posts. If you end up publishing multiple posts using the Germany tag on your website, it will enable visitors to easily locate and view all these posts in one place, eliminating the need for them to navigate through your categories menu. We can see our posts published here, and both of them are tagged Germany. If we simply click the tag Germany, it will take us to the page where all the posts related to our visit to Germany are. This was another example of how tags are used to organize the data on our website. Let's explore another example illustrating how tags can be effectively utilized. Imagine you're a food blogger embarking on a journey through South America, where you visit several countries like Brazil, Peru, and Argentina. During your travels, you unfortunately experience food poisoning in some of these countries. When publishing your posts, you wish to emphasize the countries where you encountered this issue, so you simply apply the tag food poisoning. Even if you haven't explicitly mentioned your experiences with food poisoning in each of your separate food blog posts from the various countries you visited, just tagging any one of these posts with food poisoning will automatically group all those related posts together on WordPress. The point of going through the examples above is to make you understand the power of tags and how it helps in categorizing and organizing your content. It is important to point out that certain WordPress themes have a search bar in the theme. If your posts are properly tagged, website visitors can use the search bar to find the specific content instead of going through all the categories. Let's go to website gunholster.co, as it has over 40 posts and they are all tagged. See the search bar icon on the right side. Click on it. Enter concealed carry. It's showing 4 posts which have concealed carry as the keywords. You can see the titles of the posts here. So, instead of going to the menus and searching through the entire content, we have found the relevant posts with the required keywords in a matter of seconds. Let's search for Open Carry and see the results. Now it's showing 2 relevant posts with the keywords. This is only possible due to use of tags. Most WordPress themes also have a widget for tags. It is called the Tag Cloud. A tag cloud is simply a list of all tags that you have used on your website. It is displayed in alphabetical order and assists website visitors to search content easily. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Click on Appearance and then Widgets. Now these are the widgets that are currently installed on our website gunholster.co. These widgets are on the main sidebar. We have the search widget, the social media widget, recent posts widget, and finally the categories widget. If we go to our website, we will see the same widgets in the same order on the right side. It looks like we do not have a tag widget. Let's add it in the main sidebar with the rest of our other widget. Go back to the dashboard. Just make sure to add it in the main sidebar at the end. Click here. If it does not show Tag Cloud, simply click Browse All for all the widgets. However, it is showing up here, so we click it. We can immediately see a lot of our tags which we used. One of the unique features of the Tag Cloud is that it displays each tag with a font size. This font size is directly proportional to the number of times that the tag has been used in posts. Therefore, the bigger the size of the tag, it means more posts have been tagged with that specific tag. This also gives website visitors a preview of the topics on the site. You can increase or decrease the number of tags shown on your website. Right now, it's showing 45. Let us decrease it. If you want to change the font size, click here to toggle the fonts. If you click this icon here, it's the style icon. You have options. One is default and the other is outline. You can choose whatever looks good to you. You can even change the letter case from here. Once you have gone through the options, click Update. Let us go to our website and see the difference. We need to scroll down to the sidebar as the tag widgets were added at the end. These are all the tags that are now showing in our sidebar. You can also change the position of the tag widget. Let's go back to the dashboard and change its location to the footer. Hover your mouse over here and click it and choose Footer Column 1. Press Update and refresh the website page. We need to scroll down to the end of the post. Now they are showing at the end of your post in the footer area. Once again, how you use the tags cloud is up to you and depends upon the type of website that you are making and how you prefer to organize your content. It is good to experiment the various options and see how it looks upon your website. If your page has a lot of categories like gunholster.co, we can easily generate corresponding tags through an option found in most WordPress themes. Go to your dashboard and click on Categories. As you can see, we have a large number of categories on this site. Go to the end. See this, we can use this tool to convert categories into tags and tags into categories. Click on it and install the second option being shown. Then click on Run Importer and you will see this window open up. You can select those categories that you would like to use as a tag. Simply check the boxes and go down and make sure that the box, Convert Categories to Tags, is checked and click here on Convert Categories. We are not going to convert it. This is just to show you. It is important to note that although this is an inbuilt tool of WordPress, we need to make sure that the tags generated are useful to organizing content on your website. In the end, here are some important points to remember when using tags. Tags should always be specific. Tags should be specific and relevant to the content of the post. Use keywords or phrases that accurately describe what the post is about. Avoid overtagging. Don't go overboard with tags. Using too many tags can make your content look cluttered and confuse readers. Aim for a handful of relevant tags per post. Avoid unique tags that only appear in a single post. If your posts have unique tags, then there is really no purpose of using the tags, as the content is unique. Remember to post the tags at the end of the article, not the beginning. Tags are not automatically assigned by the WordPress theme to posts the same way categories are. So if you do not enter any tag while posting, the post will remain untagged. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We appreciate your feedback, so drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.